Are you ready to take the leap into e-commerce and build a business that works for you 24/7? In this video, we're diving into how to build a profitable online store in 2025. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to improve an existing store, these tips will help you create a business that stands out and thrives in today's competitive market. Let's get started. First, start with finding the right niche. Your niche is the foundation of your store. Focus on a specific category of products that solves a problem or caters to a passionate audience. Think eco-friendly home goods, pet accessories, or fitness equipment. A well-defined niche helps you attract loyal customers and makes marketing much easier. Next, choose the right platform. Popular options like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix make it simple to set up an online store with customizable templates and powerful tools. Shopify, in particular, is beginner-friendly and offers plenty of features to help you scale. If you're on a tight budget, WooCommerce is an excellent free option for WordPress users. Step 3. Source your products. You can sell physical products you create, partner with suppliers for drop shipping, or even offer digital products like books or courses. Use platforms like Alibaba for bulk sourcing, Oberlo for drop shipping, or Canva for creating digital goods. The key is to choose products with good demand and healthy profit margins. Once you have your products, it's time to design your store. A clean, user-friendly design builds trust and encourages sales. Use high-quality product images, write clear descriptions, and make your website easy to navigate. Don't forget mobile optimization. Most online shoppers use their phones to browse and buy. Now comes the fun part, marketing your store. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are powerful tools for driving traffic to your website. Share engaging content, partner with influencers, and use paid ads to reach your target audience. You can also start a blog or email newsletter to keep customers engaged and coming back for more. Finally, focus on customer experience, offer fast shipping, easy returns, and excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries quickly and make sure your checkout process is smooth and secure. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your store to others, helping you grow organically. And there you have it, how to build a profitable online store in 2025. Remember, success in e-commerce takes time, so be patient and keep optimizing as you learn. Which step are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more business tips. See you next time.